So YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Freshie, man. We back at it again with another trading video. So today, me and my boy Cliff, we're just about to go over some charts tonight. It is currently 10:25. And yeah, we're just basically looking at charts for tonight and seeing how things are gonna play out tomorrow. If you don't know Cliff, man, Cliff Benjamin is the freaking GOAT, man. That is the GOAT. If you don't know him, you will soon. That man can trade his ass off, literally.
Nah, I'll be chilling.
Literally, that man bag is different, man. He got that trading bag for real. My boy just bought a brand new Ram truck. Ain't that right, my boy? Off of Forex money, off of trading money, man.
Yeah. We did a little something the other day. We did a little something. Yeah,
But let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. I'm about to share my screen really quick. So let's go US 30. As you can see, 30 has been in an upward trend for the last what? I don't even know how long.
what, a month?
Last month or so. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
literally in the last month or so. So basically what we're going to be doing now is looking for buys. However, 30 is at a major resistance point off of the one, I think it's, I would say the weekly, but also the 1 day. Yeah, so right here, if you can see that. Can you see my screen, Cliff?
Yeah, I can see it.
All right, bet. All right, bet. All right, so right here, all of this is resistance. You can tell, boom, it was a risk support previously. It bounced up off of there, came back down, came back, retested that area again, came another resistance area right there, finally broke up, came back down, and bounced. So right there is just showing that there's a lot of support and resistance in that area. As of right now, 30 is still trying to push up. But however, I think either next week or maybe even tomorrow, it could possibly start selling. Because like I said, this is a
Mm.
major area. But we definitely just we're just basically have to look and wait for tomorrow because there's really nothing we can do tonight.
I
Tomorrow's
just peep
Friday.
game.
Yeah,
Yup.
tomorrow. Ooh, 8:30, 10
You see
a.m.,
what I'm saying?
11 a.m., and 2 p.m. Boy, 30 might sell tomorrow, y'all. 30 might sell tomorrow. Today is actually November 30th. So what is tomorrow? Is tomorrow December 1st? Yeah,
Yup.
December 1st, man. First of the month. Let's see if we have a whole trend reversal. Let's see if we can catch this thing tomorrow. So yeah, we
Catch a
basically just
little,
gonna look at it. Oh, go ahead.
catch a little drop zone tomorrow.
Heck yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I hope it just stays in this point tonight, and then tomorrow they have some negative news. But not, if not, man, we gonna look for buys. We just gonna keep riding this trend all the way up.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
let's go over some other pairs though, bro. 'Cause you know we really don't trade anything but 30.
Yeah.
Literally, we literally only trade 30. Let me get my little path thing. All right, so as you can see, highs, higher low, lower highs, and then lower lows. And it's really just going down actually. So depending on tomorrow's news, this thing could definitely shoot up if the news is negative for the United States. But if it's not, it's definitely going to continue down, and it's really going to have to come back down to this support area right here
Yeah.
because that's literally the lowest low. It's pretty much overbought in this area, as you can tell. And my thing, I would call this an imbalance in the market. So it's definitely going to have to come back down and hit this point sometime. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow, but definitely within the next week or so, I think it's going to come back down and hit that point. If it does
Yeah.
close underneath this, but it could come down and actually start a reversal too. So let's go ahead and delete
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, I could do that too, cause ain't nobody who's to say this junk gonna keep breaking to the upside. The market might sell off for the last month of the year, cause we in December. It's officially December now. In
Facts,
trading, in trading terms, yeah.
facts. But the thing is, right here, you do have a lot of support in this area as well because right here it has. Let me get a little path, or I can get a brush. So it was creating lower lows and came back and tested. Oh my god, that was ugly. It came back down, came back up, tested that area, broke down, created a new low right here. However, off that low, it did come back up and create a new high. And it's literally looking like it's trying to reverse in this point. I think it's going to come back into this area right here. And if it doesn't break that area, if it doesn't break this area right here, I'll see how the support's about right here. Because we on the 1 hour. Yeah. So the support is literally like right there.
Yeah.
If it closes in this area, I'm going for buys. Because that means it has to break this, because this is just coming back and retesting because it's overbought right there. And that's basically an imbalance in the market.
Coming back to get everybody that missed it the first time.
Exactly. But we just got to see, man. 30 and gold are very volatile pairs. So if you are trading these things, man, be careful and use proper risk management, honestly.
Hey, let's look at what that currency pair you like.
I like CAD, bro. NZDCAD.
Yeah. Let's check
Bro,
that
I'm
out.
like, I think I went like 9 for 10 on NZDCAD, bro, in like the last month or so. Like literally, look. The
That's
only
crazy.
loss I had was right here, and this was the other day. Yeah, on Tuesday. That was literally the only
Damn.
loss I had in the last month on CAD. Like that's the win right there. That's 30 pips, 40 pips, 60 pips. Like that was I might have actually closed that one early, but that's still a win. Like all these things are dreams. Bro, I like
That's
CAD for
that's
real.
that's smooth though, cause bro, I gotta get back in the currency pairs. I ain't traded currency pairs in a little hot little second, boy.
But
I gotta get back
I
in it.
feel like once you go to 30, dude, and you trade 30 SPX 500 or Nas and gold, bro, you don't want to go back to the currency pairs. Like, and you make too much money too fast. I feel like
Yup.
currency pairs are just slow. But I like currency pairs because I can just you just test your strategy and still see if your strategies and things work on other pairs other than just 30 or gold or whatever it is that you're trading that's very volatile.
No,
But
I'm not with that though.
look at this though, bro. Look, I drew this one before. I did this around what? Oh, this the one. I did this literally like 30 minutes before we got on the phone or on this call. I should have caught that. I wasn't even paying attention to it,
Mm.
but that would have been a good little place to put a sale in, especially off the 15-minute. See,
Hey,
look how it
but
closed in
keep
there
this.
perfect though. I'm excited, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been thinking hard about getting another challenge account, trying to pass that one.
If I do that, I'm gonna buy another 300K. I don't want nothing different than what I already got,
Yeah.
cause I don't want to switch up what I'm doing. Just
Yeah.
run it all one way.
That's why I was telling you, bro. When you told me you had blew that 400K account, you didn't care. I was like, bro, there's no way you didn't care, bro, because that would have been 700,000 that you was funded, bro. 700K you funded, bro. I would have used one of those accounts for like a high risk situation, and the other one I would just low risk, like literally.
Yeah. I mean, the thing is though, I think like with the other one I was doing, I think they're a little bit more like how can I say it? I think they're a little bit more like aware. Like they watch you harder when it comes to your risk management. So
Yeah.
like I think with that one, even if I trade like super aggressive, like I be doing my challenges, and if I hit big, I think before they give me a payout, I think they'll probably hit me up and be like, "Hey, bro, your risk management off." Like, you know what I'm saying? Like if
Yeah.
I go in there and hit a trade and win like hit like 75K or something like that, and I might be wrong now. Don't quote me on this, but like I've been reading some stuff in the little FAQ and it was talking about how they really be on your back about proper risk management. You know, you gotta think about it. You put the max lot on there, boy, and if you hit, you know, it's cool and all, but them boys try to probably some of them boys out there be trying to do anything not to give you that payout when you really hit on that joint like that. If it real big,
Facts though. That's what I was telling you, bro. Like some of these prop firms, you really got to be careful with, because I be thinking they're scams. Like literally,
yeah,
I'm like, bro, if I go in this prop firm and hit 100K, are they really about to pay me 100 racks? Like literally, in how many days do they have? to do it. What is it? 4 days, 3 days, or something like that.
Yep. 3 business days.
Bro, you got 3 business days to have me my 100K wire. It better
Right.
come through. Literally, I'm gonna be mad.
Bring it
Be
out,
so
bro.
mad. But
That's
yeah,
what I'm
man.
saying.
Bro, Cliff
So,
talk about that though, bro. You done got funded 300K, bro. My boy done
yeah.
showed. My boy literally brought me back from the dead. 'Cause I stopped trading for like a year. That boy sent me a text message and said, Noah, look at this. Bro made 27 bands, bro, in one trade. I said, what the fuck? I was like,
Yeah.
there's no way. That was so crazy, bro. That man done had so many withdrawals, bro. And like I said, that man just got a brand new Ram truck. Not the little one. I'm talking about the big one.
Yeah.
Not the little one.
So it's like, man, I be real aggressive on challenges, man. But when it come down to like once I get funded, I'm a little bit more on the conservative side. I do get out there and I get a little high risk situation going on here and there every blue moon. But I tried that. I tried to use the max like allowed a couple times on my account. It didn't work out too well. So I just kind of like just hunker down, try to get some proper risk going. I still lose some trades sometimes, but most of the time, if I see a signal and I take it, most of the time, I'm in good standing with it.
But I noticed I win a lot of trades after 10:30, like with 30. If I
For real?
enter after 10:30 with 30, I win a lot of those trades. But when I do it before 30, but anytime before 10:30, I'm usually just scalping. Literally. I feel like after 10:30 and before 2 o'clock, I feel like before 2 o'clock, is when you should get out the trade, unless you're swinging. But day trade, I'm out that bit by 2 o'clock. Like I did that yesterday. That's how I made all that money yesterday. I was like, all right, cool. It's 155. Even though I should have held it, it was 155. And I just ended up closing because at around 2 o'clock it started doing wishy-washy stuff. So I just closed it.
Yeah. I peep game on that. I like that though. But it's air there for a reason. Because you ain't about to get that out of US session tomorrow. I'm telling you right now, that shit dead. You might as well go ahead and call that a quit.
Yeah, there's a lot of news coming out, but I mean, it just depends on how you trade though, because some people like the news, bro.
Yeah, but you ain't got that option once you get funded with the
Yeah, yeah, that is
you
another thing.
might say you manipulate.
That's
You gotta remember.
another thing, y'all. If you are with them prop firms, make sure y'all read all the rules, man. Because some of these things you can enter a trade 5 minutes before news come out and 5 minutes after the news comes out. And some of them you can't hold over the weekend. So if you're a swing trader, make sure your prop firm allows you to actually swing.
Yeah,
Um, but
yeah,
the prop
that's the
firm
key.
me and Cliff been using is called Secure the Bag. So if you guys need something, I do recommend Secure the Bag. Cliff has had how many payouts from off of Secure the Bag?
5. Them boys legit. Now that's a good
Yeah,
prop firm.
Secure the Bag. He's only got 5. Oh, we running out of time. He's only got 5 payouts from off of Secure the Bag, and then the main one, FTMO. So if you are looking for prop firms, Secure the Bag and FTMO are pretty good ones to start with. Look at this gold trade, bro. This gold one. Bouncing off off that resistance. It's gonna come here because
Uh,
it done made higher highs.
I see that jump.
So then if it bounces off here,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna come right here to like this little area because it's the high. It's gonna have to retest that area. So let's bring this one back down to about that area right there. But nah, Cliff, bro, we need to get this Telegram rolling, man. We
Yeah.
need to get this Telegram rolling for real. We can definitely do something, bro. We only got 6 minutes left on this thing, but you guys, that's pretty much the end of this call. Like I said, this was just a little chart markup for tomorrow. December 1st is tomorrow, so that's what we're looking at charts for. Um, And we're gonna see how this thing plays out, man. Because I might actually do a little recording tomorrow and see if our analysis was right, or see if it was wrong, and then I might actually play some trades depending on the setups. But thank you for watching this, man. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, man. Comment on the YouTube video, help the algorithm for your boy. I'm gonna keep dropping more of these, and just document my process and my journey as a trader. Soon we're gonna be funded like my boy Cliff, and then we
Yep.
all gonna be eating, man. We all gonna be eating for real.
That's
Um,
it. That's the goal, bro.
we about to make it, man. This shit gonna be crazy. This shit gonna be crazy. I'm trying to tell you, this shit is gonna be crazy. But stay
Yeah.
tuned for the Telegram. Me and my boy Cliff, we're gonna start set up a Telegram for you guys. We're gonna be dropping some free signals in there for you guys, and just come make some money with us, man. Hold it down. We out of here.